Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, today I'm going to do a review on the GE JVM2160. Now, the manual for this is 2162 and 2165. Now, I looked and the the JVM 3160 is pretty much the same. I think there's a couple of changes on the board. That's about it. But you got to rig up your exhaust. The screws that go in come with it here and here, okay? And obviously you've got the cord that you have to run through. Now the mount is this, okay? So it's just a 4-swing mount. I didn't use this one because the microwave that was up there already had one there. So yeah. Now this here you want to have it breathe, okay? So when you close up your cabinets, if this is the case you have, make sure that this can breathe. Make sure the whole microwave can breathe, because it will blow your moisture sensor, okay? Okay, so if you got IKEA kitchen, now these kitchen cabinets are a little bit wider than normal old kitchen cabinets, right? You know, it was fine until we got these cabinets. So what I had to do is put 3/4 of an inch behind the mount back there to bring it forward so the door could clear here. All right, now it still hits there. Look at that. I can't even get it as far as 90 degrees right there. I could have went 1 inch, but I just went 3/4 because you don't really need it to open any further than that. And then I had to put the handle down here versus here. So yeah, so FYI on that if you got IKEA cabinets, and go from there. It's 1.6 cubic foot, so you know, lots of room in here. Nice microwave. It's a little bit louder than the more expensive microwaves, I think, but yeah, your panel's pretty simple. One thing we have to get used to is you got to push cook time before you even, you know, put it. Let's put this in here and see what happens. Okay, I think you can hear that now. But yeah, so basically, yeah, nice microwave, comes with your instructions and everything, template, your screws, and it comes with a panel that is French, okay? So you can put that panel on there, you know, right there if you want French, okay? So all in all, I think great microwave, and yeah, that's my review. Thanks for coming.